Today, we delve into the captivating life story of one of India's most iconic leaders, Indira Gandhi. Born on November 19, 1917, in Allahabad, Indira Priyadarshini Gandhi was destined to leave an indelible mark on India's political landscape. Let's explore the journey of this extraordinary woman from her humble beginnings to becoming the Iron Lady of India. Early life and education. Indira Gandhi was born into the Nehru-Gandhi family, deeply entrenched in India's freedom movement. Her father, Jawaharlal Nehru, was a prominent figure in the Indian National Congress and later became India's first Prime Minister. Growing up in such a politically charged environment, Indira imbibed the values of independence and social justice from an early age. Despite facing personal tragedies, including the loss of her mother at a young age, Indira excelled academically. She studied at prestigious institutions like Oxford University, where she was exposed to diverse ideas and political ideologies. These formative years laid the foundation for her future role in shaping India's destiny. Political ascension. Indira's entry into active politics occurred during India's struggle for independence. She worked closely with Mahatma Gandhi and other leaders, organizing protests and advocating for freedom. Her dedication and determination earned her a significant position within the Congress party, leading to her appointment as the President of the Indian National Congress in 1959. Prime Ministerial tenure. Indira Gandhi's first term as Prime Minister began in 1966. She faced numerous challenges, including food shortages, economic instability, and regional conflicts. However, her decisive leadership and implementation of policies like bank nationalization and the Green Revolution contributed to India's progress. One of the defining moments of her tenure was the declaration of emergency in 1975, a controversial decision aimed at restoring law and order. While criticized for authoritarian tendencies, Indira Gandhi's government also initiated key reforms and infrastructure projects that benefited the nation. Return to power in later years. After a brief period out of office, Indira Gandhi returned as Prime Minister in 1980. During her second term, she focused on foreign policy, negotiating peace with Pakistan after the Bangladesh Liberation War and signing the historic Simla Agreement. Domestically, she championed social justice measures and advocated for the empowerment of marginalized communities. Tragically, her life was cut short by an assassination in 1984, a devastating event that shook the nation. Despite facing challenges and controversies, Indira Gandhi's legacy endures, inspiring generations of leaders and leaving an indelible mark on India's history. Legacy. Indira Gandhi's legacy is multifaceted. She is remembered for her contributions to nation building, economic development, and women's empowerment. Her leadership style, though polarizing, demonstrated a fierce commitment to India's sovereignty and progress. Today, her vision continues to shape India's political landscape and serves as a reminder of the complexities of leadership. Conclusion. In conclusion, Indira Gandhi's life is a testament to resilience, courage, and unwavering dedication to public service. Her journey from a young activist to India's Prime Minister encapsulates the spirit of a nation striving for progress and unity. As we reflect on her life and legacy, we honor the legacy of a leader who left an indelible imprint on India and the world. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Indira Gandhi's remarkable life. Feel free to share your thoughts and insights in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring history's fascinating tales.